Imagine you're planning a trip to Thailand, excited to explore the vibrant markets and indulge in delicious street food. But what if you could use your everyday payment app, Grabpay, to make your trip even smoother? Today, we're diving into the question, can you use your Grabpay account in another country? Let's find out. Grabpay, as you know, is a popular e-wallet app in Southeast Asia, offering a wide range of services from mobile payments to food delivery. But can it transcend borders and become your go-to payment method while traveling? The short answer is, it depends. While Grabpay has been expanding its reach, its availability and functionality can vary significantly from country to country. Let's break it down. Availability. Grabpay is primarily available in Southeast Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, and Thailand. However, its availability in other regions is limited. If you're planning a trip to a country outside of Southeast Asia, it's best to check Grabpay's official website or app for the latest updates. Functionality. Even if Grabpay is available in your destination country, its functionality may be limited compared to your home country. For example, you might be able to use Grabpay for payments at selected merchants, but you might not be able to use it for food delivery or ride-hailing services. Fees and exchange rates. Using Grabpay in a foreign country may involve fees, such as transaction fees or currency conversion fees. It's important to check Grabpay's terms and conditions to understand the associated costs. Additionally, the exchange rate used for currency conversions can impact the final amount you pay. Alternatives. If Grabpay isn't available or suitable for your trip, consider using other popular e-wallets or mobile payment apps that are widely accepted in your destination country. Some popular options include Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Alipay. So, can you use your Grabpay account in another country? While it's possible in certain regions, it's essential to do your research and check the availability and functionality before your trip. By understanding the limitations and exploring alternative options, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Grabpay or traveling with e-wallets, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.